What's the best way to start off your morning? A good cup of coffee and a delicious keto blueberry muffin. And at just 4 grams of carbs, these muffins are completely guilt-free, yet still taste amazing. So if you want to see how you can make your own, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Welcome to Keto Craft Kitchen, your source for the best keto, low carb, and healthy recipes. So, I'm sure we could all agree, the only time we're excited about muffin tops is when they are coming out of the oven. And in my opinion, on top of the mountain is the blueberry muffin. They can double as a breakfast or a snack option. And this keto version is fluffy, full of flavor, and yields just 4.3 grams of carbs and 2.7 grams of sugar per serve. This recipe just requires a few ingredients and is easy to prepare. So enough talking, let's get started. First thing you want to do, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a muffin tin with 8 cupcake liners. Next, in a medium bowl, add 4 room temperature eggs. 2 tablespoons milk of your choice. I use unsweetened almond milk. 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. Half cup of granulated sugar substitute. And half teaspoon of kosher salt. Now whisk until incorporated and smooth. Now add 1.5 cups of almond flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda and sift into the bowl of your wet ingredients. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now whisk all your ingredients until combined and smooth. Now add 1/2 cup of blueberries and fold those in until evenly distributed. Now evenly distribute your batter into your 8 cupcake liners. And lightly tap your pan onto your countertop. Now add another 1/2 cup of blueberries on top of your muffins and lightly press those in. Now sprinkle some granulated sugar substitute on top of your muffins. Now bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean and the tops are golden brown. Now remove them from the cupcake tin and place on a wire rack to cool off for about 20 minutes before removing the papers. Now enjoy the best keto blueberry muffins. The best keto dishes are the ones that you can't even tell they're keto. Now that's a perfect blueberry muffin. Beautiful cross section. Let's just go for it. So good. Not overly sweet, but super fragrant and full of fresh blueberry flavor. To be able to enjoy keto muffins this delicious almost makes me feel guilty. Almost. You have to give these a try, and I dare you to just eat one. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and share the video, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite type of muffin. Check out one of my other videos with this card right above. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it classy, keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen, out.